Hey y'all, Lee here. So, this past week, we haven't got near as much done as we wanted. Things are just taking a lot longer. And because of our drive, we're not here as much as we'd like to be. So, we might have to start camping here. We'll see. But we did manage to finish the columns this week. Did a few other small things, but finishing the columns was a monumental task. It took a long time. So we finished the columns, and I have started on scraping the windows, which is the next step. But we have a long road ahead of us, and each little thing that we get finished feels like a huge thing. But then when we look at what we need to do, it's really small compared to the big picture. I'll show you a few clips that I do have of us working on the columns and any other thing that we did this week, which honestly wasn't a lot. We did, out of curiosity, pull some paneling back to see what wallpaper was underneath, and I'll show you that. I'm trying to think what else we did. I think that's about it. I'll show you what we do have, and I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching.
What?
So this is a momentous moment, Daryl. Why?
We are scraping the last column. However, we're not done with those other 4 or 5 over there.
But are we done with the scraping?
No.
Are we done with the scraping?
No, because I have this side and this side.
But it's the last column.
Yeah.
So you're supposed to just say that. It's momentous.
We are scraping the last column, but there's still a lot of work to be done.
Still momentous.
Don't get happy yet. There's still a lot of work to do. A lot of work. Are you just videoing this for proof that I actually did scrape some paint?
Okay, we are in what will be my art studio, and Daryl is about to pull off this piece of paneling. Go ahead.
I'm not ready to be recorded.
Just pull it off. And we have wallpaper that's actually not in that bad of shape, except for this. There's no lining. That's strange that it's not lined. And underneath, again, we have tongue and groove walls. I probably will just paint this tongue and groove white since it's just my art room.
Accent wall or something.
Yeah. I don't know what year this wallpaper would be. It's not real wide. How wide is that?
Shed a little light on the subject.
About 8 inches? No, I mean 18 inches wide. Maybe. If anybody knows wallpaper. 18 inches. They didn't line it up very good right there, did they?
Not bad for the 1930s.
Possibly. All right.
Are you listening? Did you already record your intro?
Yes, we are doing a reveal of the wallpaper in this room since we've already seen it in a couple other rooms. I'm curious about this one. So, because I am impatient.
This stuff is hard to get out of there too.
Good thing we don't care anything about saving this paneling.
Or my fingers.
Or don't cut your finger off.
That looks like a seam because it's nailed on both sides, but I don't think it is.
Is that faux nails?
No. It's a seam.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
All right.
You're about to see what it looks like. You want to stand back and see the whole big picture, or you just want to see
I'm gonna stand
a
back
little bit as you look in?
and see the whole big picture.
Well,
Sort
you're
of.
going to be disappointed this time because we wallpapered over once before.
Ugh, that's ugly. Ugly 70s wallpaper.
Oh man, did they go crazy this time?
Wah, wah, wah. That one was a letdown. That sheet is like nailed. That's been the hardest sheet yet, hasn't it?
Yep.
Well, some people may love that wallpaper.
Didn't bring my ladder.
No, you didn't.
Alright, so now what's behind this wallpaper? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Did not go in.
So it looks like a rosy pattern.
Or baby blue.
Did they paint the wallpaper?
It looks like they might have painted the wallpaper blue at one time.
Yeah, they definitely painted the wallpaper. But underneath it is a rose pattern.
I dare say that's the original wallpaper.
Probably. I dare say you're probably right. I wish I could get like a whole scene of the flowers instead of just part.
It's fairly glued on fairly well.
Yeah, we got a whole room to try. And then painting over it has not made it.
And behind that, wood.
Tongue and groove.
Cheesecloth. Painting over it is going to make almost impossible to play again.
Is that fabric?
It might have been. It certainly seems to be made onto it.
It feels soft. I don't know, it's hard to tell.
It had the fabric backing. The border is just laid glued on top of it.
What is that though?
That's more of this.
Are you sure? That looks different.
I don't know.
Okay, so in this room we had baby blue floral. Hopefully I can save a piece to put in my collage. Moving on.
Like a big mess.
Yeah.
Every room.
Next room. I'm gonna clean it up. Right?
Hope you are.
At some point.
We got that one.
Yeah. You know that one was the town scene. You got your tools?
No.
We kind of need tools, don't we?
Right here.
Yesterday and today we had birds flying. I would go the other piece because that's the piece with the electric on it.
Well, I would too. But this piece is like over this one.
It is?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh, maybe that's that side. Either way, I can get to that one from here. But yeah, it is left.
That is really crumbly. Is that a different type of panel?
believe this one has been remodeled at some point too.
Did they glue the paneling down?
Yeah, it's just got really good paneling nails.
I've never seen paneling
Maybe they
shred
do.
like that.
Oh, there's another nail there.
Oh, there we go.
Are you ready?
Yeah, it looks really similar to what was next door, don't
Yeah.
it?
There's gonna be something behind that too.
Alright.
Ooh, water's been coming in on that one.
Well, we're not surprised as the ceiling has a spot. And it's very similar, very 70s wallpaper. Oh, roses. No, hydrangea. No, what's that called? Hibiscus flowers. Pretty. Hibiscus. This would have been a tropical room.
Might be something behind it, but I don't think so. I think that may be the original still.
Looks like it had some iridescence to it
Can't tell that big water stain.
originally. Yeah, kind of wish we could go over where there's not a water stain. But you get the idea. Hibiscus. All right.
3 layers of remodeling there.
Yeah. But the house is 90 years old, so.
There was obviously a leak there for a long time. Isn't that, let's see.
Beside the chimney.
Yeah, that's where the other chimney was at.
Hey, let me see your knife.
We'll never have to worry about that again. See what?
See your knife. I see the seam.
It's nothing behind it. I can see the fabric. That's the fabric behind it.
Yep. Come in groove. So this was the original.
The wood looks good.
Oh, the wood looks really good, thankfully. So that's good. Doesn't look damaged at all. Of course, going that way we may find otherwise. Cool, cool, cool.